Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to mute sound and music in Cut the Rope application using your mobile device or your tablets. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. First of all, launch open the Cut the Rope application on your device, and once you're inside this main menu, click on the gear button at the top right corner. Here you will see a speaker and the music note icon at the top. Make sure to tap on them both, and if it is crossed out like this means you have turned off the music and sound effect. Do this for both of them, and then once you do that, you can get back to the game and start playing. So that's how you can easily mute sound and music in Cut the Rope application using your Android or your iOS device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.